everyone, Minnie's Handbags here. If you're new to my channel or if you're a returning viewer and you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. So as you can see, guys, I am going to be doing a Michael Kors unboxing with you guys. I am super excited about this particular purchase because I think this may be my clutch bag, but I'm not 100% sure yet, guys. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, guys, so this is the Michael Kors Tribeca, and this is a large convertible shoulder bag. This is 100% leather, y'all. Yes, 100% leather. Now, this is a nice smooth leather, and it also comes with an adjustable crossbody strap, and I will show that to you guys in just a few. As you can see, it is a snap closure. All the hardware on this bag is in the silver tone hardware. Now, as you can see, inside does have a back slip pocket as well. And this is the bottom. It doesn't have any feet on the bottom. And as you can see, it does come with the crossbody. I'm going to show you guys the tag really quickly. So that is the tag, and it does say Tribeca on it, and the color is pear, if I did not already say that. And I am loving this color, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to unwrap the crossbody part. Now, this is a two-part. It does come with a chain, but it also has the leather at the top as well too. And I actually do like that feature on here, that it does come with part chain and part leather scrap as well too. All right, so let's finish getting all the paper off of here really quickly. All right. While I'm taking the paper and stuff off, let me go over the measurements for this bag. So the width of the bag is 10 inches. The height is 5.5 inches. And the depth of the bag is 3 inches, guys. Now, the adjustable crossbody strap on here is 11.5 to 20.5 inches. And like I said, these are the leather scraps, and you can pull it down to where you can wear it as a crossbody if you like, but I like the fact that you can also wear this as a short shoulder as well too. So this bag is absolutely adorable. Now, like I said, I think this may be my new clutch. I'm gonna play around with this bag and see how I like it, see what all I can fit in here, and see if this is going to be a new addition to my collection, guys. Now, like I said, I absolutely love this color, so I know I can pair a few accessories with this bag, but this is so adorable, and this reminds me of the Kurt Geiger Kingston bag as well too, without the middle compartment. So that's another reason why I like this bag and I picked it up. All right, guys, so I just wanted to come on really quickly and share with you guys my new purchase. Let me know if you have the Michael Kors Tribeca in your collection. And if you do, let me know how you like it or don't like it. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals. And I will see you all in my next video.